Hello, thank you for tuning in to the BC Liquor YouTube channel. I'm David Walla-Widnick, resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine. Today, I'm here at 39th and Cambie, one of my favorite signature BC liquor stores. I want to demonstrate for you this really cool cocktail that we have as part of a series of Halloween cocktails inspired by mad scientists of the past. This cocktail that I'm about to show you will transform in the glass as you consume it, as it sits there. This one is called the Jekyll and Hyde. Let's start off by taking our mixing glass and adding to it a little bit of ice. Let's drop a few cubes in there. And Captain Morgan's pineapple rum. This is going to be the bright, fresh side of the cocktail, the Jekyll portion. Dr. Jekyll was a very kind man, very sociable, but at one point discovered a secret serum that would bring out an alternate personality, a darker side. So the pineapple rum is going to be complemented by a little bit of brightness from the lemon juice and a little bit of richness from the simple syrup. 2 ounces, 60 mils, 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22 mils, and the same amount for the lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce or 22 mils. Adding that right in there. Now, oftentimes you'll hear people saying you have to shake it if it's got juice in it. Well, you do and you don't. I don't want to have the aeration in this cocktail. I want it to remain silky and smooth. And that's why I'm just stirring this one. Once I stir enough to chill and dilute, we get on to the surprise ingredient. Set this aside right there. What we have is a sphere of ice that I've made out of Lapsang Souchong, which is a smoked tea. If you don't have a sphere mold, don't worry about it. Just put it into an ice cube tray. But the idea is make a strong smoked tea, put it into an ice cube tray, and freeze it. Now, when we place that into the glass, and we pour our fresh, bright pineapple cocktail around and over top of it, it will transform the cocktail, adding that smoky character. So just like this. Beautiful contrast between, oh, did you see how that popped up like that? That was kind of cool. I love the contrast of this one because as you let it sit, it transforms into a different cocktail. The longer it sits, the more different it becomes. That smoky character from the black tea, from the smoked tea, comes out and changes that pineapple, almost like you've taken a pineapple and put it onto the smoky grill in your backyard. This Jekyll and Hyde cocktail, as I said, is available in the Taste issue, Fall 2022. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you again for more of these videos right here on YouTube.